Hello singers, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to work on warming up your high notes in a gentle way. The goal is to reach the top of your range without forcing or straining your voice. Let's begin with the straw phonation. Let's sing 1, 5, 1, 3, 1. Grab your straw and let's go. Follow along. Very nice. Keep going. One more. Back down. A few more. Almost there. One more. Well done. Let's continue with lip trills. Follow along. Last one here. Very nice. Next up, let's sing hoo hoo 3 times. Let's continue with a vocal slide on ya. Nice work. Keep going. Okay, next up, we're going to do a 5-note slide on ooh. Let's go. Last one here, very light, in head voice. Last exercise, we're going to do lip trills one more time. Last one. Keep the sound very light and don't push. You did it! Amazing job! I would like to thank you so much for following along with me today. I hope you will come back again and let me guide you through more vocal exercises. You can always subscribe to my channel. I've got new videos coming up every week. So don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.